Mastering English phrases, to be on point. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly used phrase, to be on point. This phrase is popular in both casual and professional conversations, so understanding its meaning and usage is key to enhancing your English skills. Let's get started. To be on point is an idiomatic expression in English. It means being exactly right or performing at a high level of quality. This phrase is often used to describe someone's performance, appearance, or an aspect of their work that is particularly impressive or accurate. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in different contexts. 1. In work context. Her presentation was on point. It was clear and persuasive. 2. In fashion. Your outfit is on point today, you look great. 3. In general performance. The chef's skills are on point. Every dish is delicious. These examples show how versatile the phrase is and how it can be applied in various situations. Understanding synonyms can help you grasp the full meaning of the phrase. Some synonyms for to be on point include to be spot on, to be perfect, to be exact, to be precise. These synonyms can be used interchangeably depending on the context and what sounds most natural in conversation. When learning idiomatic expressions, it's easy to make mistakes. Here are a few common ones to avoid. Don't confuse on point with to the point. To the point means being direct and concise. Avoid overusing the phrase in formal writing. It's more suitable for conversational English. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, to be on point. Remember, practicing these phrases in your daily conversations will help solidify your understanding and improve your fluency. Until next time, keep practicing and stay on point with your English learning journey.